Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, many of you are asking to make videos on Cognizant aptitude questions, previous year aptitude questions. So here in this video, I am going to tell you the important topics for your Cognizant examination for aptitude and game based, and then so 1 hour of the aptitude session will be there in this particular video. So let us start one by one. Okay, so Cognizant hiring for 2026 batch, right, has started. So 21st of August is the communication round, and then 22nd is your aptitude round. Friends, if you want video on communication round on SQL, okay, so please let us know in the comment section. Anyway, so Cognizant aptitude round, right? So total it will be 80 minutes, okay, and it will be divided in 2 categories. We will talk one by one, okay. Total 80 minutes, it will be divided in 2 parts. We will discuss one by one. So total question is 30, okay. So in 80 minutes, so you will be having aptitude, okay, and then you will be having game based aptitude, and then you will be having game based aptitude, correct? Okay, so aptitude, there will be 30 questions and the time will be 30 minutes. Many of the students were asking, sir, what about reasoning? So there is no reasoning in Cognizant exam. Please be very clear that there is no reasoning in the exam. Now if we'll talk about the difficulty level in the Cognizant exam, then the difficulty level will be of good, I mean, it's like, you can say moderate to difficult. It will not be easy. So only few questions will be easy. Otherwise it is difficult to moderate. Okay. Now, so the 1 hour of video which I'm talking from the previous year, okay, I will just show you. Okay. I will just show you so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. So here I have put Cognizant crash course and it is free. Okay. It is free. You don't have to pay it. The only reason I'm not uploading on YouTube, the reason is it might get the copyright strike, okay, because I have used the screenshots here. So here you see Cognizant previous year question, 53 minutes, okay. So it is started, lot of questions has been covered here. So okay, it's looking like me only. Why? I have only okay. Okay, so here you see lot of questions has been covered here and it is completely free. भैया पैसे नहीं देने हैं, पैसे नहीं देने हैं. पसंद आए तो कोर्स ले लो, that is a different thing. But this aptitude videos are completely free here, okay. But there will be only one video which will be free. All other, see, right? So from all the topics we have covered 53 minutes of the video, and you just have to go in the link Cognizant crash course, and there you come to this. See, if you go to Cognizant crash course, right? So introduction 1.1 recorded, 1.2 Cognizant, 1.3 live classes, 1.4 Cognizant exam screenshots. Okay, so you have to come inside this Cognizant exam screenshots. So you can see Cognizant aptitude screenshot, technical screenshots, communication round screenshot, Cognizant aptitude question 1, Cognizant aptitude question 2, and in that if you will come down Cognizant previous year aptitude question. This is the video which you have to watch. Clear? Bahut acha, very good. Now, and if you really want to crack Cognizant, then go for this crash course. And even previous year questions I have kept here also for free. So this link, right? So Cognizant hiring 2026. So here all the pattern, right? So first pattern will be there, and after pattern, okay, and then you could see this, this communication round screenshots, okay, and then you could see aptitude screenshots, okay. And so a lot of this previous year questions will help you a lot. Okay, fine. Anyway, now let's get back and try to understand. Okay, so that you got the clarity. Total 80 minutes. अरे भैया कहाँ चले गए यार, कैसा PDF खोल देते हो. Okay, fine here. Now, so then now I will tell you the 10 very important topic for your Cognizant exam. Okay, so the first one is, okay, percentage, I think I have put it again. Percentage and profit and loss, 7 to 8 questions will be there. See, if you'll count this, you might tell, sir, 30 questions hi aayenge, and you have already mentioned so many things. So what I mean to say here is, okay, what I mean to say here, so many times you have seen that percentage and profit and loss only 7 to 8 question. Data interpretation 4 to 5 questions. Probability 6 to 7 questions. Time and work 4 to 5 questions. Time and distance 2 to 3 questions. SI and CI 2 to 3 questions. Simplification 1 to 2 questions. Permutation combination. Okay, mensuration. Friends, one thing, these are the very important topics. Other topics are not that important, okay, I'm telling you, but these are the important topics. Now friends, one thing which I wanted to tell you, okay, what I wanted to tell you is, I forgot after seeing some message. Okay, I think I should put it on flight mode. Okay, fine, so I don't get the disturbance. Okay, now, so actually 30 minutes and 30 questions, it's very challenging. Once you will watch this video, no, which I have posted it, right? So in this our courses inside the course, so 30 minutes and 30 questions is, and the level of the questions will not be that easy. So till then you don't know the short tricks and how to use. And the more important thing is Cognizant repeats the question. So it is very, very important for you to solve the all previous year problem, and then only you will be able to do well in the exam. Okay, so keep that in mind, that Cognizant repeats the question. So please, you have to solve the previous year question. So this 9 topics, actually it's not 9, percentage and profit and loss I have kept in only this thing. So instead of this percentage, okay, so this one topic will come here, profit and loss. So 10 questions. Now then there will be game based aptitude. Game based aptitude already on our channel, only the video is done. So here, grid challenge, switch challenge, motion challenge, digit challenge, deductive logical thinking, inductive logical thinking. For this also I'll bring one video. Around 4 sections, around 24 questions, time per sections around 6 minutes, adaptive in nature. Okay, now, so friends, one more thing which I wanted to tell you, right? So this is screenshot, right? So whatever you are seeing here, whatever you are seeing, this is screenshots, right? So this is screenshots, whatever you are seeing, correct? So already this has been, see, this is Cognizant hiring process. This is for communication round. This is for aptitude round, right? This is for game based round. So for everything, you know, you have to visit this. Okay, Cognizant crash course. Okay, get this crash course. Trust me, it will be worth. It will be beneficial. There is no doubt. There is no other go. Okay, and already we have put a lot of previous year question in this exam screenshots so that you will be able to practice well. So this was the Cognizant aptitude things which I wanted to tell you. And today you watch this video, so you understood the reason, right? So why we have kept it, in this particular crash course. I have told you the path also, so that we don't get the copyright strike on our YouTube channel. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care. Bye bye.